everyone! Good morning! So today is our day 5. So it's me again, Trisha.
And I'm Sandy.
And welcome to our vlog! So for today's video, we are going to Lantawan for an outing. So right now, we're here at Ginhalaran and we're waiting for our friend, which is Eliza. Her name is Eliza. And right after that, we're going to Plaza to pick up our friends. After, we're going to update you later. Going to Lantawan. See you! So that's Eliza, guys. Hi, guys, we're here. Nandito na sila Isa at si Ana. Hello, say hi to them. Hi sa vlog mo yun.
Hi ka na, hi.
Yeah, siya. So we're going to Plaza na. Bye-bye. See you later. Yun na yung mga kasama namin.
Ang mga bagay na.
Tadaan! Wait lang, ayun na sila. Kuya, good morning! Hello guys, update po. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Plaza. So guys! Nandito pala sa Rafael. As far as I can tell. Anong masasabi mo sa vlog, Raf? Raf! Yeah, dito gaya pa na lang. Kapala po, sa kanya perfect. Nandun si Clyde. Clyde! Yun si Clyde. Happy birthday! Sayang may birthday ngayon. So, we're waiting for Kuya Alexis. So, we'll be back later. Bye!
Alright guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Rooster Cafe. Ayan, pakita mo yung sasakyan.
Ayan, nandun sila sa loob.
Ayan. So hinihintay namin yung tatlong kasama namin kasi nagmumotor sila.
Apo.
And after that, didiretso na kami sa
Lantawan.
Lantawan. Alright.
Yes, it's Wednesday today and it's our vacant. So we don't have class, we don't have work. So yun lang. Later we will update you po pag nakarating na kami sa Lantawan. So that's all for today. So hello everyone! We're here at Payag-Payag sa Kilid Sang Suka. Okay. See you later. Kuya Alexis, baby, lalay. Hey, Rap. Hey. That's my babab. Sitio Lantawan, Barangay Ginbalaon, Salay.
Hello.
Here's my papa. Dabok. May dabok po eh.
Hey guys. So yan guys, piniprepare namin yung ulam namin. Yan, yung baboy at saka yung isda.
At meron kami mangga.
Alright. Yan. Sarap oh.
And guys! Hi! Hi, Anay! Happy birthday! Siya po yung my birthday. That's
Thank
what
you.
Kuya, baby.
Gender rebel,
Hi,
Bablo,
Ate.
Kape. Mas welcome na ganang pinabuo.
Ang bangga ni Rafael.
Survival Philippines.
Isa na pa, paste mo, bike na.
Okay. Happy birthday, Sex Bomb Plus! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Yay!
Hey guys! Alright, so kakatapos lang namin kumain. Yan, so ngayon maliligo na tayo. Alright! Ba't ka nagbababa?
Ay, hindi ko alam.
With
So
my
nice
baba.
here, so beautiful.
Like her. Like her. So beautiful.
Sabi mo.
So beautiful. Alright, ligo time. Wow, ang galing. Kahit mabato.
Go, Baba! Wow! Wow! Ay. Okay. Okay.
Trabaho lang.
Trabaho lang yan eh. Abi ko dalo, may.
Alright guys, so yan. So, i-change muna kami ng location kasi nandun yung mga kasamahan namin. Dito lang kami nag-swim kasi practice at for documentation purposes only.
At nag-practice kami ng free diving. Kasi
Yan.
look,
Yan, dyan kami nag-practice ng free diving.
hindi naman siya malaki.
In preparation for
My free diving.
free diving sa beach, no?
Yes.
Mag-snorkeling siya at mag-free diving.
Gusto ko kasi gayahin si Andrea William.
Wow, idol mo sa dyan.
Hindi. Yung free dive lang.
Let's go! Samahan niyo kami. And so, nandito yung mga kasamahan namin. Sila.
Hi!
Yan si Rafael. Yan si Rafael. Yan si Kuya Alexis. Yan. Yung ibang kasamahan namin ay nandito. Yan. Dito sila sa part na hindi malalim kasi may mga kabatang kasama no? Samahan natin sila.
Yes, let's
Go.
go!
Thank you. Ayan yung isa, busy. Hello guys! Ayan. So kakatapos na namin maligo. So,
Magbabanlaw na.
yes, this time, magbabanlaw na kami. So ayan guys, so occupied pa yung dalawang CR. So hintay-hintay muna tayo na matapos sila. Then, it's our turn na. Nag-enjoy talaga kami dito guys. At least, tanggal yung feeling na init. At syempre, nakapag-relax din tayo. So ayan na nga guys, katapos na namin magbihis. Yan, magliligpit na kami ng gamit namin so that makapaglibot-libot pa kami dito sa Silay. Amang sightseeing muna tayo ng mga
Magsa-sightseeing kayo ng mga bundok. At
magsa-sight.
magagandang view dito sa Patan.
Alright,
Mag-update you later po.
let's go!
So ayun guys, kakatapos lang namin maligo dito sa Payag-Payag sa Kilid Sang Suba. So at this point po, we're going to have a road trip going there so that we can have a sightseeing together with our friends. So yeah. At ayan si Baba. Wow, sobrang gwapo niyan. So ayun dyan.
First stop, natawag na na Taytay.
Wow, ang ganda ng view. That's my view. I love you. Yun, busy pa sila. Everyone, ito na po kami ngayon sa Bangal
Jurassic Park. Sir! Nagparsal ka mo na! Siya finish!
What's up guys? Good evening sa inyong lahat. Di na kami nakapag-update sa inyo kasi natid pa namin yung mga kasamahan namin sa kanilang lugar. And then after that, tumiretso na kami uwi at nagpahinga kasi sobrang pagod. Pero at least a day will spend together with Baba. No? Hopefully more adventures to come pa together with her.
Yes po. So, to those people who wants to challenge us to try new adventure or to visit some places na kaya lang ng budget, just feel free to comment down below. And if you have any suggestion po na gusto nyong gawin namin, just feel free din po to drop your suggestion at the comment section below. Thank you!
So, sa mga baguhan pa dito sa amin channel, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, please do follow our Facebook page, Solace Diaries. For now, kasi i-change namin yan into Zed and Trish Journey. Alright, so...
That's all for today.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!